everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we have a new subscription. This is One Handmade. So it did come in a bag and this was everything inside it. So I just tossed the bag and we have 5 individually wrapped boxes here. So this is an accessory subscription. Hi Emmy. Emmy's joining us today. So this is $29.99. I will link them down below. So I have a link and a code as well. It's kittysboxes in all caps. That will save you 10% if you are interested. So I believe you get 3 different jewelry pieces, like a scarf and then a bag or some other accessory. So we will see. We're going to unbox this together and then we can talk about our thoughts. You can leave your thoughts in the comments. So this was kindly sent to me free for review but not sponsored. Again, link will be in the bio. 1handmade.com. And yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. I hope you guys are all doing well. How about we start off with, let's do it in size maybe. We'll start with the white boxes. I'm guessing those are our jewelry pieces. And then the blue is a scarf, and then there's like a bag in the brown box. That's my guess. So let's go through it. Oops, I itch. So everything comes in gift boxes, which is nice. So here is our first item here. I wonder if this is a wrap bracelet or a necklace. Let's see. I think it might be a necklace. So it is wrapped really well and easy to get out. Let's see. Like it doesn't have that like white stuff that gets caught to it, you know what I mean? So I bet you can wear it as like a choker. It's kind of cute. Or as a wrap bracelet. Unless there's information in another box, we don't get information on the products, which would be nice. We'll see if that comes through. But yeah, you can wrap this around. I think I like it better as a bracelet. Let's see how it closes. But I like that you have like versatility here. I kind of like it like this. I'm kind of like dig like the 90s looks. I think I like it like this. Actually, this is cute. So the closure. This is what it looks like. Let's see, is it easy to do? Oh my God, it's magnetic. That's amazing for people like me who live alone. Well, no offense on me. She just can't really help me with my, that's so easy. No, let's get my braid out. So you can just snap it into place easily. I can keep that on for now. Let's see what the other pieces are like. I think this is growing on me the more I look at it. Probably style it differently, but... Now we have another box here. Ooh, so this looks like it's a bracelet. This is cool. I love things with feathers. And there's some crystals in it. So it looks like this is made from leather or faux leather, and then it has some crystals on it as well. It actually seems like it's really well made. And this has that magnetic closure too. I love that part of this. Let's see if I can get this on easily then. Yes. I love how simple that is to get it on. I shouldn't have put other bracelets on today. But it kind of goes well. I'll cover that up so you can look. And now, I haven't worn like a choker style in a while. Now we have another bracelet. It looks like it's similar to the last one, but like similar style, but different look. Ooh, and this one has like a little druzy crystal in it. And the heart. And you can see the back, like this is well made. I've gotten some bracelets before kind of like this, but they seem like they're falling apart, but this looks really sturdily made. Let's see if I can get it around my Apple Watch. The closures are amazing. So if you're like, have trouble with it, limited mobility, something like that, you can just stamp it into place. The only thing is it's not adjustable, but this is a good length. Like I have my Apple Watch on, so that's why it looks like a little looser, but it can go like right where it is here. I think this would fit most people. But the fact that it's magnetic, I think is amazing. Let's see, is it, yeah, super easy to get off too, but not like too easy. Cute. Yeah, let's see. Here, I'll show you. Nice. So those are our 3 jewelry pieces. Let's move on and see what's in this blue box here. So cute. It is a scarf. Ooh, this looks cute. I love getting scarves like this too. Like, one, they're cute, but like I like to use them as backdrops for tarot readings, which, by the way, if you don't know, I have a second channel, Kitty Rising. So before I open it, this is cute. Ooh, it's cute. You can even use this as like, hang this up. I've done that with silk or like scarves. I don't know. I'm guessing this is silk. Let's see. It's polyester. Yeah, I was gonna say silk would be a lot for a $29.99 box. I'm just gonna keep moving it up. Hopefully you can see. It's large. I love the pink and the gold. So there's so many things you could do with scarves. Like I said, you can use it like as a backdrop, or like an art, like hanging up on the wall for art. You can put it on your table if you're a tarot reader, or not, just to have that, like even on your bedside table. That'd be cute, especially since there's a circle in the middle of this. You can put that, if you have a circular table, like put that around there. That'd be cute. Or you can wear it as a literal scarf. You know, there's different ways to do that. Or as like a headband, a headscarf as well. So very versatile. I love the colors. It's really pretty. Nice. And now I'm curious to see what's in this last box here. I'm pretty sure it said purse, but I feel like there's other things that could have been in that category as well. Oh, I can't tell what it is yet, but is it like a sweater or a blanket? I don't know. It looks like it's something knit. Oh my God, you guys, it's finally like fall weather in Florida. It's 74. I had my doors and windows open before filming. It makes me so happy. So now I'm like, sweater weather, even though it's not really here in Florida. But this is something, is this a blanket, like a throw? Oh yes, it's like a knit like shawl or a throw blanket, whatever you want to use. I love how things can be versatile. Yeah, this is, oh, it is. It's like a shawl thing. I think there might be another word for it. This is nice because like I can just have the, oh my God, the color. I really like it. I love this red color. So it has like the little like slit so you can put your arms through it. And this is nice for like, you know, because it's going to be like in the 50s, like one of the nights soon here, which is cool. But this is nice because your like arms could be exposed. So you can like wear long sleeves or anywhere else. But I think this will be nice to have like at nighttime in the fall and winter in Florida especially, but anywhere. But like, you know, I can still not be like super hot because it's never too cold here. But I like this. And it goes down till about my knees. And it seems well made. I don't see any like tag or anything on that, or like, I don't know. I feel like I'm not using my words really well today, but you guys know what I mean? Like, so it's like you could see things coming off it or whatever. It looks like really well knit. I really like the red and the gray together. I like this. Okay, I think this might be my favorite item that came inside it, and this is like the main thing. So we got 5 items for $29.99, or like less if you use that code, you'll save like $3. And we get this larger item, which this month was a shawl, and then we got the scarf, which you'll probably, if you're on my other channel, you might see this as a backdrop soon. I should switch up my backdrops. I've just been using like my desk, and I've been thinking about doing that. And then we have this necklace, which I think is my favorite of the jewelry pieces, and these 2 bracelets here. And I like how they're all different colors and a little different style. And I love the magnetic closures on these. I think that is awesome, and they seem well made. So I'll let you know how they hold up. But yeah, these are cute. I do like these. I wouldn't wear both at one time, but I think they go with different types of outfits. I think I like this one better just because I like the browns, but I like both. This crystal here, you know I love crystals. Well, a lot of you know I love crystals. Hey, Emmy, what do you think? Emmy approves. So I like it. I would love to know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Do you guys like this subscription? Have you gotten it before? leave a comment and let me know. Thank you in advance. And thank you for watching. And for all of those subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And for making it to the end, you guys are amazing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Like this video, leave a comment. And again, One Handmade will be linked down below. Thank you for sending me your box. Thank you all for watching. I love you so much. Check out my second channel, Kitty Rising, link below. And have a wonderful day. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Do something special for yourself. Emmy, I want to pick you up to say bye, but she doesn't like that. So Emmy's saying bye. She's right here. I love you guys. Bye.